In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record a call on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to download it from. Go and open it, go to the URL section and type download Skype, and of course, hit the enter button, then go to the first link and start downloading it. Of course, those steps will be pretty simple. You must have been already downloaded an application on your PC, so it will be the same steps. Once it's downloaded into your PC, go and install it and open it. Then they'll ask you to log in into your account. Log in into it or create one if you don't have any account. Once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this home screen or with this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, you would like to record a call on the Skype application. So of course, let me just go here and start a meeting, host a meeting. Of course, let's just wait for this. Of course, like we can happy hour, whatever. Start a call, and that will be our meeting. Of course, if you are not the host, you will be able to record the meeting. So as you can see, for me, even if I click on it, I'll not be able to record it. And of course, even if you are not the host and you cannot record, simply you would like to download another application, which is going to be OBS. Once you download it, you'll find yourself here with this home page. All you need to do, just go and create a scene, then go and create a source and make sure to choose the window, which is Skype, or choose the whole display capture. Of course, you can add an audio, the mic of the call, and once you finish all those settings, click at start recording. For me here, I have here stop recording, but for you will have start recording, then you can stop recording. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.